It was a sunny day in Wordy Woods, and Yves was flipping through her favorite storybook when Ollie came bouncing over. "Yves, look," he said, pointing to the sky. A golden sparkle shot through the clouds and, poof! Out of nowhere, Professor Hoot swooped down in a flutter. "Hoo hoo! Trouble is upon us," the owl cried. "The golden dictionary has vanished. Without it, words will begin to fade." "Fade?" Ollie blinked. "Like, disappear." "Exactly," said Professor Hoot. "And if kids can't find the words, they won't be able to read, write, or imagine." Yves stood tall. "We'll help. Right, Ollie? Let's do this." Ollie grinned. "And why are you?" said the owl, looking straight at the reader. "We'll help them find 100 magical words to bring the dictionary back. Are you ready? Shout yes. Yell it out loud or whisper it into your hand." The trio arrived at a giant rock covered in glittery letters. A scroll popped up from the ground. To unlock the next path, find 5 words that rhyme with sun. Choose the rhyming words. Sun, fun, bun, dog, run. Box did you find? Fun, bun, run? Great! Plus 3 words. Now say them out loud in a silly sentence. The bun had fun on a run in the sun. Plus 2 more words. Total, 5. Professor Hoot flapped his wings excitedly. Now we need action words, verbs. Choose all the actions from below. Jump, sleep, laugh, apple, fly, blue. Answer: jump, sleep, laugh, fly, bravo. Plus 4 words. Now do one action you picked. Stand up and jump or pretend to fly. Total words, 9. Inside the misty cave, colors swirled around. Touch or name something around you that's red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple. Now try this color puzzle. Spell the color that starts with P, P underscore 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 L underscore. Answer: purple. Plus 6 words total, we're at 15. Yves and Ollie tiptoed over stepping stones, each with a riddle. Solve these riddles to move forward. 1. I'm cold and made of water, you skate on me. Answer: ice. 2. I'm something you wear on your feet, and I rhyme with socks. Answer: socks. 3. I light up the sky and go boom at night parties. Answer: fireworks. Plus 3 more words. Total, 18. They reached a gigantic tree. Each leaf had a letter. Let's find a word for every letter, said Professor Hoot. Let's try some together. Apple B, ball C, cat D, drum E, elephant F, fish G, goat H, hat I, ice cream J. Jump. Can you keep going? Say your words aloud for letters K to Z. Plus 15 words. Total, 33. To ride down the slide, they had to make a silly sentence. Use these words: monkey, moon, marshmallow, marching, music. Create your sentence. The monkey marched under the moon with a marshmallow singing music. So silly. Plus 5 words. Total, 38. They tiptoed through a squishy swamp where pairs of words floated by. Match the synonyms, words that mean the same: big, large. Tiny, small, fast, quick, happy, joyful, smart, clever. Plus 10 words. Total, 48. Next was a boat ride across a sparkling sea of opposites. Match the words: hot, cold, up, down, night, day, loud, quiet, open, closed. Plus 10 more words. Total, 58. Yves and Ollie met animal friends who taught fun words. Say them loud with sound effects. Roar. Lion, hiss. Snake, moo. Cow, ribbit. Frog, meow. Cat, add 5 animal sounds equals plus 10 words. Total, 68. Let's pick word fruits. Ollie laughed. Choose tasty words: banana, pizza, cheese, grapes, ice cream, cookies. Say them and your favorite food. plus 6 yummy words plus your own equals 7 more. Total, 75. The final words were hidden in a riddle cloud. The more you use me, the more I glow. I help you talk and help you know. Answer, word. Say your magic words. Please, thank you, sorry, hello, goodbye, yes, no, love, friend, smile plus 10 powerful words. Total, 85. Time to dance, said Yves. Each dance move gives us words. Do these moves and shout a word for each. Spin, say any round thing. Clap, say something you love. Stomp, say a loud word. Wiggle, say a funny word. Freeze, say a quiet word. Plus 15 words with movement and fun. Total, 100. Suddenly, the golden light beamed from the sky. The golden dictionary floated down, glowing with all 100 words. You did it, cried Professor Hoot. Words will stay forever because of your adventure. Yves and Ollie hugged. Let's never stop learning new words, Yves said. Please subscribe.